Hi, little girl. Hey, Henry. Run full force for Macy.
Macy will let you have it sooner or later.
Yep. She's like, I love you. He kept running over. He's like, I got the girls.
Come on, Riley.
Come on, Riley. Go. Good girl. Henry, she's catching on to you. Hi, Macy. Hi, Macy. Oh.
Boy, is that bark getting big, huh?
I know. He's been working on his big boy bark.
Come on, Riley. Come on.
Riley, watch out. Don't let that mutt take that. Come here, Henry. You bring that here. Come on. Give that back to Riley. Let it go. Thank you. Where's Riley? Hi, Riley. Come on, Riley. Go get it, Riley. Good girl. Come on, Riley. Come on. Hi. Yes. Macy! Love you.
Okay. You let him have it. Tell him you're getting old.
Woo! Look at Riley go.